Ever tried to open a file on your Windows PC only to see an error message, or worse, the program just crashes? That's usually a sign that the file is corrupted. But don't be too quick to give up. Today our team will show you several proven ways to recover corrupted files on Windows, step by step. Let's start with the basic methods. Method 1. Recopy the file from the source. If the corrupted file originally came from somewhere else, like a download, email, or external drive, your best bet might be to just get a clean copy. If it's a setup file, re-download it. If it's a video or document a friend sent you, ask them to share it again. Simple as that. Method 2. Change the file format. Sometimes you can rescue a corrupted file just by converting it into another format. For example, if a Word document won't open, try selecting File, Save As, then save it as a PDF. You can use the apps on your PC if they'll at least open the file partially. No guarantees here, but it can't hurt to try. Method 3. Use AutoRepair features in apps. Many programs today come with built-in AutoRepair features that can automatically recover or fix corrupted files when something goes wrong. For example, archive tools like 7-zip can sometimes handle damaged zip or RAR files. If a part of the archive is still readable, it lets you extract whatever's salvageable. Right-click the corrupted file. Then choose either Test Archive to check for errors or Extract Files to try pulling out the usable data. Method 4. Try file repair software. Sometimes, general tricks won't cut it. That's when you want to try dedicated file repair software tools built specifically to fix certain file types like documents or videos. When it comes to video repair, we recently covered a great one in another video, Clever Online Video Repair. This free repair tool works with multiple media formats and lets you upload files up to 5 GB in size. Best part? No need to install anything. Go to the Clever Online Video Repair website. You don't need to register to upload a file, but you will need a free account to download the repaired version. Click Choose File or drag and drop your corrupted video into the upload box. The tool will automatically try to detect the original video and audio settings. If it can't, it'll ask you to upload a healthy sample. When it's done, you'll see a preview of the fixed video. From there, you can download the repaired file, or start another repair. If you're dealing with a corrupted video file and don't want to install anything complicated, this is one of the simplest tools we've tested. Method 5. Restore previous versions. This method to repair corrupted files depends on whether you had file history turned on in Windows. If it was active, Windows may have saved a previous version of your file automatically before it got corrupted. Here's how to check. Right-click on the corrupted file or folder, then select Properties and find Restore Previous Versions. A window will pop up showing older versions, if any exist. Select the one you want and click Restore. This replaces the current file with the older version, hopefully one that still works. If there are no versions listed, it means you either didn't have backups enabled or Windows simply didn't have time to create one yet. Method 6. Run the System File Checker. If the corrupted file is part of Windows itself, use the built-in SFC utility. But just to be clear, this only helps with corrupted system files. It won't fix your corrupted documents or video files. Open Command Prompt as administrator and type sfc/scan now. This scans your system for corrupt Windows files and replaces them with healthy versions. And that's it. Those are all the methods we've prepared to help you recover corrupted files on Windows. In our experience, at least one of these methods usually gives you a shot at fixing the issue. But just being honest, there are no guarantees. There's simply no way to know how badly a file is damaged until you try. And yeah, sometimes a bit of luck goes a long way. For everything we mentioned today, we've included all the links down in the description, so you can check them out for yourself. And hey, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Let us know what kind of file you're trying to repair. Have you already tried something that worked? We'd love to hear your story.